Nobody asked how do I win. Nobody asked how we win. They just knew that we had to play a game, right?
Sometimes, when we're communicating with others, when we miss the little things, so right? That seems like we miss the littlest word in this entire sentence, right? It impacts the bigger picture.
With this presentation, I encourage that we all strive to, every time we meet somebody or talk to somebody, even if it's our friends, there's always more to a person that we can learn about, even if it is people that we're close to.
So a lot of times it was unfair, right? There was pressure. And a lot of times that pressure will start to feel like a countdown that goes faster and faster and faster until you get to a point where everybody just looks like they're getting the same opportunity, but they're not really getting the same opportunity, right? So a lot of times when we talk about diversity, inclusion, equity, and privilege, we sometimes just put everybody in the room that looks different and say, we got diversity here, cool, this is it. We at the top of the game now. But then we don't think about all the intersecting identities that come with being a person.
When you leave the university, nothing is free. If I go to a leadership conference, in fact, I speak at leadership conferences all the time, but when I attend a leadership conference on average, just to attend it costs me over $500. Just to show up, okay? Nothing is free, so you guys are just taking it.